Ranger band. Filter out of what used to be called a bobble. I don't know whether you still get them. You screwed them on the top of a water bottle. It's a fine filter, also with activated charcoal in it. The water bottles used to be called bobbles. One clean Ziploc bag. Cut the hole, too small. Pick up the little plastic thing, put it in your pocket. Bobble filter, inside bag. Push it through the hole, it's too small. And push, and push. Oh, too far. Do that again. And up to the collar, like that. And my Ranger band has gone, there it is. Ooh, looks like it's the perfect size. Back it off a little bit. Put the Ranger band on. Important that it does not leak. This will not filter out microbes. And there we have it. Today I'm going to do some thermal cup cooking as an alternative to freezer bag cooking, which is bad for you. Stop doing it. Today's menu, I'll push the boat out a bit. Got some Wagyu beef jerky, that's the most expensive item on the menu. Good old super noodles, internationally known as ramen or ramen. And I've got some leeks just to sort of put some healthy in there. So it's going to be beef and leek noodles today. If it sounds good to you, stay tuned. So the thermal cup selection seems to be increasing by the year. There's a classic here, that's the one I'm going to use today. Screw on, very good, keeps food or drinks hot for 4 hours. All stainless steel, can't break it, I love it. You may remember the old Starbucks one that I used to use, I've lost that, but that was fantastic too, wide mouth. You can also get these, I think the trade name is Yeti. Yeti do one, this isn't a Yeti, this is a knockoff, but it works very well. A lot of thermal cups don't have an insulated lid. The lid isn't insulated, so I'll just put a little bit of stuff in there just to sort of help it along. I just thought I'd bring that to show, but then there's of course the normal thermos flasks. They're easy too, they're not heavy. For me, I'm sold on them. So anyway, I'm going to cook in this one. Here we go. I'm in the habit of not tearing the tags right off of all the plastic packs so they don't get lost and get into the environment. Ooh. That's rather good. Not bad. I'm going to put about half a pack. So I reckon this whole meal cost about £5, but for me it would go twice, so it's not too bad. But it does actually have some real food in it. It's some real protein and a bit of vegetable. Good old Leeks, the emblem of the Welsh. Delicious. And a bit dirty this one. Hang on, I'm going to go and wash it under the water there. Okay. So the reason I chose leek, apart from the fact that it's delicious and seasonal at the moment in the UK, is that because it's such thin-walled, it should cook quite nicely with this method. There you go, bit of that. Half a pack of noodles. Now, something like that. And it should be, I'll use half a pack of the season also. There we go. Okay. And I'll have a nice cup of tea in my other one, because I don't have to worry about it getting cold. I don't have to drink it straight away. Perfect. Or even keeping the washing up water hot while you eat your food. Okay, so this has been stood for 15 minutes, bearing in mind that, you know, the instructions on the packet for these noodles, they're not true instant noodles. You're supposed to boil them for about 4 minutes. See if I can show you that without, I can't. Looks edible. Let's see, I did check them about halfway through. So, the leeks, perfect, not overdone, not underdone. Bit of the beef, wow, that's a winner. You should try that. So, I know Cheesehead Chris ages ago, he said he was going to do some experiments, come up with some recipes for thermal cup cooking. I think we can maybe start something rolling. I'll be interested to see anybody else who can come up with a recipe to do in a thermal cup. You'll include the times and things so everybody else can replicate it. So that'd be interesting. Anybody that feels like doing that, hit me up. Put out a video. Okay, I think that's it for this one. Not a bad spot, I think you'll agree. I'll see you all in the next one. Scout out. Nigel from Bushcraft Prepper. I forgot to shout him out last time. And Dream Adventures. I forgot to shout you out too. So maybe you two. I'm tagging you two in this thermos thing. A thermal cooking challenge. If you've got time, show us what you've got.